So interestingly, when Consortium started, I mean, we're going back now many years, almost 22 years ago to 1999. And at the time, it was a sink or swim situation. There were certain circumstances that lined up, certain things that happened, and there was no choice. So at that time, starting from home, when we were a one-person organization, which was me, and I'm the CEO of the company, but I'm also the Chaprasi. I'm the only person in the company, basically. At that time, it was where the journey began. And if you asked me then, do I see ourselves where we are today? Well, maybe at that time, no, but along the way, I think that situation definitely happens. Ideology actually evolved over time. And what happened is that initially, of course, it was just about, doing what needed to be done. It was about service. It was about all those core things that, we really believed that we ought to be bringing across to our clients. It was always service above selling. It was always about giving more than receiving, and giving everything in terms of energy, in terms of options, in terms of value. It was just about give. So truly, that's how the journey really began. Over time, we started to evolve. We actually set in place a mission, a vision, a culture. So we have a 14-step culture statement that eventually came in, and that pretty much drives not only what we are today, but also who we bring on and everything we do. So innovation has become the cornerstone of success in this industry. A lot of people consider us to be a product-only company. But services have started to play such an important part. The entire ecosystem that we build, when we have the company brand stores, when we have the technology, when we have all the innovation, Consortium Gifts is a part of IGC. IGC is a $1 billion conglomerate, and we're the only Indian member to be a part of IGC. Now, by virtue of being in IGC, what it also means is that we have access to the latest products first, the latest technologies first. What our counterparts are doing in San Jose or in the UK or in Australia, we get access to a lot of that. So hence, I've always been one who's been very big on innovation, very big on, just keeping my eyes and ears open and just basically, watching the trend. So truly believe that the trend is our friend, and we just go with it, and we're always constantly evolving, and innovation has played a very important role at Consortium. We're today in 6 cities. We have 8 offices, 3 in Noida alone. Gifting has traditionally been a small setup, right? It's almost been solopreneurs. It's almost been companies who've never really scaled. People have gone up to like 4, 5, 6 people. You've had an opportunity in this video to take a look at a lot of the other things and the systems, the processes that we have. Not many people have that. So infrastructure is definitely one. Second is very technology focused. So we always bring in the latest in terms of tech, latest in terms of technology, latest in terms of trends. None of this would have been possible without exceptional people in all the various departments. So the teams have played a very big role. And I think that sets us apart, that we truly have almost now a team of 100 superstars that are always going out to go above and beyond. And that can't be beat. So first, let's talk about, where do we really see ourselves in a few years from now? We've of course come a long way, from being a solopreneur at home to now having all this infrastructure and everything else. We've come a long way, but I truly believe that we're just getting started, right? So if you ask me, where do I see myself, even 5 years down the line, I truly see us being a global enterprise, someone who's now got service offices to service our global accounts across multiple countries. I always tell people, I've been telling them for the longest time, that we will be Asia's largest gifting company. Okay, and I said this way back, maybe about 8 years ago, and at the time we had one office, we had 20 people, and everyone laughed and they said, how's it going to happen? How do you take on the Chinese? But today it's a different conversation. People are looking at India, right? I know we still aren't, where we should be, but I think in 5 years we will be, where we will seriously be considered one of Asia's, at least South Asia's largest gifting companies, which has a global footprint. And we're truly hoping for offices in Dubai, in London, in the US, or maybe even Latin America, who knows? So pretty upbeat, and really hoping to get to that, milestone of being Asia's largest gifting company.